kids. We're so happy you're here.
Hi everyone, come join the fun.
Down. Anh có lúc nào ra? Everyone also from the British class, Charlie Koala and Reform Hotel, if I am in a class staff. Any other person wants to tell us what we did today in the class? Nobody? Just hi, you know? Okay, well, you don't know whether I'm going to award marks to this that I'm asking you. Okay, from the teenage class, tell me what you did today in your class. Who is speaking for the teenagers? Are we good? Are we good? Nobody? Blood chair before. Blood chair. Very cool shows. Just. You come and sit here. Okay. From the teenage class, can we hear what you did today in the class today? Okay. I know you're going to represent the world. Go back to video. Good. What's that? I'm Mary.
I'm Mary.
I hear you. Stop up in the video.
I'm
Let's stop swinging your legs. Master, the Ahiro will start. You start making your sentence. Alright. Okay. Next guy, we want to go back to our talent and treasure hunts. Okay. Keep quiet and listen up. Now, we'll be able to hide some treasures, okay, at different places and at different points inside of this apartment, not in the kitchen, not in that room, but the whole of this place, excluding the television. You're not supposed to touch the television. Nothing is hidden here at all. So nobody should go close to this place, all these places, the television, okay? Quiet and listen up. Don't go close to any of the frames, okay? Same instruction is also applicable to the other apartments. Sit down. Good. So the treasures that are hidden could be under your chair, could be Unyoma's mouse inside this picture. Okay? It could be anywhere. Okay? Good. You must not rush. Some persons can be looking for it, and some persons can go to the other apartment to look for it. No treasure is hidden in any of the rooms or in the kitchen. Just the sitting room, good. This sitting room and the other sitting room. Don't touch the television. If peradventure you touch the television and it falls and breaks, call your parents for immediate replacements. Do you understand? Are we good? So cameras are stationed in 2 places. Okay? Good. Okay, are we still? Are we doing? We're not doing teams. It's an individual treasure hunt. Huh? No treasure is hidden downstairs because it's late already. Okay? We would have loved to do it downstairs, but because it's late already, we decided to use this sitting room and this other sitting room. You get that? So it's not downstairs. It's also in the toilets. Okay? It's not on the television. And it's not on the frame. It's not in any of these chandeliers, so that I don't climb up as if I'm looking for what is not upstairs. Do you understand? Good. Are we good to go? Stand up. Are you ready? Huh? Wait. Give me. Come on, help me and hide it again. Please go and hide it. Quiet. You are becoming rough. When you are rough like this, it tells me that you are going to destroy something. Why are you jumping? Why are you excited? If you're excited too much, it tells me you're going to destroy something. Or you're going to enjoy. Are we good? Yeah? Are we good? So at the count of 5. Hold on. We have to hold on.
Nothing high, just look below. So that you don't break anything.
Come here. Eh? You can see one of me. Okay, we are live now, we are live. Are we live? Are we live? O2. Abo, Ato, Ano, Ise, Bido. Easy. Chobaya. Now, go and look for more. You can get as many as 10, 15, 20.
Hello, kids. We're so happy you're here.
Keep looking
Hi
for
everyone,
it.
come join the fun.
Hello kids, it's time to play. Boys oh yeah, boys oh yeah, girls oh yeah, girls oh yeah. In and out, who is it got me? Who is it got me? Can I come and see?
It's a final lap of Sugarland Beach for tonight, the 31st day and the month of July 2026. My tomorrow is at the new home, and of course the show is presented to us. But let's just finish up with this with a slightly competition. Okay? Let's try to have this one out of the rest of the time that we have. Hello, speaking to you, what's your home from? Jessica, you are welcome. Please go ahead.
Now place your treasures on the table and stand. Please get a seat. I don't like doing it. That's okay. Well, can you are going to count it in Igbo. You are not seated at me. I will cancel you and I will collect that time from you and I will give it to you. The instruction is get a seat and sit down. Then one level. Put it down. Leave it like that. Are we good? So, we are going to count our treasures that we found. Okay? So, but we are going to count it in Igbo language. So, I'll give you the mic. You count how many you have. Are we good? What can you do? What's it fine? Baby, what are you looking for? Are you still looking for the treasure? It's finished already. Are you good? Well, let's count. Count your treasure. Touch it now, let me see. What color the aka? Okay. Otu abo. Okay. Let's see on the table. Who asked you to open it? Okay. Good. One, that's good. Good. That is your own. Let's sit on the table. Good. Good. Okay. Wow. Abo. Ato. Only with it. Omero. Call me aka. Only with it. Omero. Call me aka. You see this what? Six. Okay. So, at the end of our treasure hunt this evening, we have Waminia. Stand up. Waminia, you tell us too much. Stand, come on. Go there, treasure. Stop talking. I'm in church. I want to declare the winner now. So, at the end of our treasure hunt for 2026 Igbo Summer Camp, let's make welcome and celebrate the winner for tonight. I want to come back. What will I tell you? Chisom Nicholas. Welcome to Accra. Tell us your name. Afambo. Good. Are you happy that you are the winner?
Don't believe I give it to the next person.
It's okay, it's fine. Okay, that's the end of the treasure hunt. Let's clap for ourselves. It's okay. So, as many of you have more than 1, 2, 3 thereabouts, you decide to share with your friends. It's high time you share with your friends and all that. So at this point, I want to bring up Miss Uche to take us on the next line of game. Who's to go? Okay? Mwakono Oriaku Uche aka
Cha 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 cha. Igbo kwenu. Igbo kwenu. Igbo kwenu. Before you know, we're going to take number. I ain't get a number. So ever go also ever go. So just take your number. You get the number in Ghana table. Ever go full. Ever go. I am Jikere. Otu, abo, 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 otu. One, Ghana table. Ever go table 1.
So, Omona Igbo Otu. Ghana table. Ebola Abo, Fedela table 1.
Well, what I know is so. Okay, I just see. Ever will table old. Ever will have Now baby no. Okay. come
Give me instruction once if you don't get more. Come out. Go to your tables. I say you have to understand. Come out, please. Come out. Baby girl, come this way. Are we good? Yeah, don't say. Otu. Boom. Abo. Otu. Abo. Otu. Abo. Otu. Abo. Otu. Abo. Otu. Abo. Otu. Abo. Otu.
Ngwa, asụsụ Igbo ka anyị ga-eme ebe a. Anyị ga-ebido na tebụl ndị a. Unu chọrọ afọ onye onwe unu ọgara ndị a. Obi dike, chọọ afọ Igbo or give to your group.
So, collectively look for a name to name this table.
Afọ Igbo.
Let's go.
Look for a name Igbo. Agbọmma, obi dike, ọgara ndị a. Okay.
Never give me the name first. No, that's not an Igbo name. Okay, that will make it happen.
Last chance. Because we were all the name was Hey, please help me get their score. So this is the rule of the game. For instance, Guinea will apple, neighbor. So can you 5, 10 seconds. Open Nazaya, table Kazaya, table get away 5 marks. Is it clear? For instance, 1 million will apple, neighbor. Will count 10. No, will count 5 seconds. One before Naza, be sure, just one answer. When you see Okoroma, when you see Kirisi, Nada go. Do you understand? Before you say the answer, consult yourself. Because anybody say the right and wrong answer, you've lost your 5 marks. To now come to the point of say that when they don't know it. Is it clear? Should we start? Please counting 5 for us, plus 5 seconds. Alright, please, Eva, table 5 seconds. Yes, table Igwe. Okay, let's make it 10 seconds. One of our answer, the man to go to bed. So just listen for your own question. I feel the first one. Okay. Give me one orange, n'asụsụ Igbo. So one option.
I know your question.
O metere ya? Waka, 5 marks all Igbo. Gịnị bụ avocado n'Igbo?
What time is going? Time up. Fast.
Ọ na-eduru ya avocado.
Ube bekee.
n'Igbo. 10 seconds. Gịnị ka na-akpọ watermelon? Gịnị ka na-akpọ watermelon n'Igbo? Igwe mmanya? Okay. Igwe. Yes. Igwe. Yeah. Igwe gari, gari. Igbo pie, n'ọnụ Igbo. G confidence that child come out. In fact, area are born now. I don't know area are born now. So please say it your wonderful numbers. He wear your man. Give you 38, no Igbo. 38. I'm going to go 1 to 100.
Iri atọ na asatọ.
Very
That's my guy.
Grandfather.
I thought you said his numbers were doing. Okay.
You got grandfather Igbo. Igwe yadi grandfather Igbo. She got grandfather Igbo.
But then she's not proud of what she's saying now.
I don't know, I'm not sure that's why.
Grandfather Igbo. Say it like that.
Say it like that.
Say it.
Not no mark for them.
But then it's not numbers we are doing. It's numbers we are doing now.
No, yes, I'll give them. They'll come for numbers. So give me that and go.
I don't know what time.
Give me my seat. siblings Igbo. My siblings Igbo. My siblings Igbo.
My siblings.
Say something. My siblings Igbo.
Man, okay. I'm okay.
Igwe. My siblings Igbo.
Hey!
My siblings. Gịnị ka a ga-akpọ number 70?
Iri
70.
Yes,
Very.
The last one I got sorry that give me 4. Aha! Now 10 marks. 10 marks, full 10 marks. Anyway, I said, look, 3 over go Nanka. But not 10 seconds. You have 10 seconds. Uniga Goran, come there. Anthem can't find.
Anthem.
Yes, becomes anthem.
Oh, baby.
Speak up. Go. Yes.
Hope only get more representative. Bring up one man.
Someone that can act well.
Yes.
Someone that will act well.
Select one person. Pick one person.
Okay, let's make that.
Like good with them.
Okay, let me say what one thing. Charade.
Yeah.
Make that perform like I will show you. Okay. Maybe I wrote him they will sleep. You not say anything, you just have to act it. So if you're coming from this place, all man can chop with you on there. On a bed. You have to say fly or bed, but not to Igbo. If she's saying like bed, you have to say that word in Igbo. But she has to act it. So every time you look at it, and they are showing you and have to go. Do you see clear? So bring somebody else.
Translate very well in English.
In English. Okay, for instance, you pick a paper, and what is it on the paper is bed. Act like a bed.
Don't say it.
She won't say it. She will just stand.
Is your
And try
teammate
to describe. I will tell us. If I do that, you're ready to be flying, right? Like a bed. So you guys should tell what's flying.
Fable.
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 When they give you my plan, don't rubbish.
Okay, so do it your people. Then guess what she's doing? Your mouth will not come. Yes, what is Nemo. Yeah, Mike. Rahul, 5 points.
Who's the red now? I trust you. Stop that. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Time over.
Time actually you.
Do it again for them.
Do it well so they understand. Why the English one?
No, you know what? Igbo. No. That one was not Igbo. Igbo one. I got Igbo. Not English. Yes.
Stop, come on, pick one more. Are you ready with your song? Are you ready with your song?
Five, 4, 3,
And they were smiling.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Sorry, what she doing?
Yeah.
our John is behind. They're taking the total. Our John is behind and taking the total.
Hey, stop this. I'm doing this.
Now the quiz, total quiz, bara area to nasa.
Give me area to nasa. I understand.
37 points.
37. And then now the charade, total points bara area no nasa to. Grand total abasi iri asato na ise. Grand total is 85. Then for Oledo. Unubara na the quiz. Unubara iri abo na ise 25. Na the challenge. Unubara iri ano na ise 45. Grand total abo iri asa 70. Yes. So our winner will be
Write it down.
Okay, then revenge. Alright, thank you so much for your great presence. Don't engage, please beyond there. Speak Igbo, engage with your parents, you don't know. When you get to school, show them everything from yourself. Can we let's clap for ourselves.
Yes. Okay. What kind of we have to how we this segment went very well. Please keep quiet. Thank you. Okay, the next thing we are going to do now, we are going to have our dinner. And immediately after the dinner, we are going to have a town hall meeting. Different from okay, so we're going to have a town hall meeting immediately after the dinner. So who will see a real children, don't go upstairs. After your dinner, you wait behind. Don't go upstairs. We're going to have a town hall meeting. Okay, with all our campers and staff. Do you understand? We sincerely apologize for not swimming today. We contacted the lifeguard today to come and safeguard. Safety is apparent in this camp. And we couldn't get through him. He wasn't available for today to carry out that task for us. And we contacted the apartment people if they have a lifeguard. And he said no. So can you bear with us? By tomorrow, God's grace and God's will. The camp ends tomorrow by 4 p.m. So tomorrow there will still be classes tomorrow and 1 or 2 things before your parents will start coming for your pickup. Okay? Thank you very much and God bless you. Just like the teacher has advised you, when you get back home, Soba Asusuibo. Can you say Soba Asusuibo?
Soba Asusuibo.
Soba Asusuibo.
Soba Asusuibo.
People come on one program and go there. What can you do there?
My cousin or mom is holding my leg.
Sit down quietly. Join them.
It's called